yung title. Shout out to everyone. Magandang umaga. And welcome to Bigo Live Philippines. And you're watching The Sexy Cowboy and listening. Hindi lang watching, listening pa. Alright, okay. Alright, let's see. Ano pa bang meron dito? Hanap tayo. Alright, ito isang mahabagdamdaming kanta.
Proudly 50 years strong.
Love story.
Give your life a boost.
Where do I begin? Andy Williams to. Okay. Love story, where do I begin? Where do I begin to tell the story of our great love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. And she fills my heart. And she fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her alone. Who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, it's always there. And how long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in the day? I have no answer now, but this much I can say. I know I need her till the stars are burned away, and then she'll be there. And how long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in the day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I need her till the stars all burn away, and then she'll be there. All right, Andy Williams, Love Story.